Hey everyone, I am wanting to give you some tips about hydration because I think that it is the simplest thing that you can change that's going to have the biggest impact on your life. And I know a lot of people, when they think about these lifestyle changes, they always think food. They always think cutting out or adding in something or supplements and things that they need to add that are going to make them feel better magically, right? But hydration can do that. Staying hydrated is really underrated, and a lot of people aren't hydrated just in their daily lives. Most people wait until they are thirsty to actually even think about drinking water, and thirst is actually one of the last mechanisms that we are going to feel when we are dehydrated. So there are so many other factors, just feeling fatigued, feeling tired, inability to focus or concentrate, lack of energy. All of these things are early signs of dehydration, but oftentimes we attribute them to being tired. So we grab another cup of coffee, which might further dehydrate us. And that is really when it's crucial that we're keeping up with it, because once we get to that point of being thirsty, we have to almost work to dig ourselves out of this rut that we've gotten into with not staying hydrated throughout the day. So you want to aim to drink at least your body weight divided by 2 in ounces of water. So for example, if you weigh 180 pounds, you would want to drink at least half of that. I would say about 100 ounces would be a good amount, because even on top of whatever that half of your body weight is as a baseline, you need to account for any type of exercise, even if it's just walking around your everyday life, things like that. You're going to always be losing water through what's called insensible losses. So this is just water evaporating off of your skin, just trying to regulate your body temperature, everything like that. So I would say half of your body weight as a baseline, but then add maybe 10 or 15 ounces to that. And that would just be of plain water. So we do not want to be focused on hitting that hydration goal by consuming especially caffeinated beverages, because those can actually have a dehydrating effect. We don't want to be consuming a lot of beverages that have extra sugar, extra sweeteners, extra flavors or preservatives. And we don't want to be consuming too many carbonated beverages. And I get that question a lot of like, well, do sparkling waters count the same as regular water? And really, it doesn't. And that's because sparkling water, the carbonation that's in it, actually impacts the absorption. So other, nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats go through a very specific step of processes to be broken down in your body. Water is very different. We basically drink water, it goes into our gut, and it's absorbed from our gut into our bloodstream. So if you have bubbles, carbonation in your drink, it can really impact the absorption process and also lead to things like bloating, and also impact your hunger and satiety signals. So it might interfere with how you feel before a meal, during a meal, after a meal. It might impact your eating. It can have all these other effects. So I would say try to hit that hydration goal first with plain water. And then if you want to have a little something extra, sparkling water, something like that, then you can add it in at that time. But water is needed for every single metabolic process in your body. So from everything to breaking down carbohydrates to mobilizing fat stores to be used for energy. It can help improve your sleep. It can help improve your performance. It can help improve your mood. It can help improve your skin, detoxifies your body. So many benefits. So make sure you are focused on getting at least your body weight divided by 2, maybe plus that 10 or 15 ounces is a good place to start. And keep a water bottle with you, anything that you need to do just to make sure that you are hitting that on a daily basis, because oftentimes that's what we forget about. So I hope these tips help. Let me know if you have any more questions, and we'll talk soon.